Welcome back to Moto Market Explorer, where we break down real classic motorcycles for sale across the United States, from affordable riders to serious long-term classics. Number 1. 1980 BMW R100RT, $3,800, Seattle, Washington. This 1980 BMW R100RT started life as a full touring motorcycle, but the factory fairing has been removed, transforming it into a far more versatile and visually clean airhead platform. What makes this example especially compelling is that the seller focused on meaningful mechanical upgrades rather than cosmetic restoration. The modern 450-watt charging system, crank-mounted electronic ignition, and upgraded voltage regulator address well-known reliability weaknesses of early BMW airheads. The most valuable improvement is the R90X front brake conversion using Brembo calipers and Ducati rotors, which dramatically improves stopping power compared to the original ATE brakes. Combined with new tires, battery, ignition components, and included OEM hard luggage, this BMW is clearly set up to be ridden, not stored. With a clean Washington title and collector plates, this R100RT represents a strong value for riders seeking a dependable classic with real-world usability. Number 2. 1969 Honda CL350 Scrambler, $2,800, Portland, Oregon. This 1969 Honda CL350 Scrambler stands out as a genuine survivor rather than a restored or heavily modified example. Stored indoors for over 3 decades, it retains approximately 95% of its original components, which is increasingly rare for early Japanese dual-purpose machines. The seller has carefully recommissioned the bike with rebuilt carburetors, adjusted ignition timing, fresh oil, new air filters, and a recovered seat while preserving its original character. The engine runs strong, though extended riding is recommended to fully clear out long-term storage residue. Early CL350 Scramblers are becoming increasingly collectible due to their rugged design, lightweight handling, and historical significance in Honda's off-road and street crossover lineup. This example offers flexibility. Ride it as is, lightly preserve it, or restore it without starting from a compromised base. Number 3. 1970 Harley-Davidson FLH, $5,500, Boise, Idaho. This 1970 Harley-Davidson FLH delivers classic shovelhead touring presence with the raw mechanical feel that made these machines legendary. Equipped with an S&S carburetor, true dual exhaust, and a Lapera solo seat, the bike prioritizes torque, sound, and unmistakable American character. Both electric and kickstart systems are functional, which adds convenience while preserving period authenticity. The seller reports that tires, brakes, and electrical systems are all in excellent condition, making this a ride-ready classic rather than a dormant project. With a clean title and firm pricing, this FLH appeals to riders who want a traditional big twin Harley experience without paying restored show bike prices. Machines like this continue to attract long-term interest as original shovelheads become harder to find. Number 4. 1970 Suzuki 350 Rebel, $1,700, Roseville, California. The 1970 Suzuki 350 Rebel is an oil-injected two-stroke twin that represents an era when lightweight performance and mechanical simplicity ruled. This example runs and rides, but will benefit from basic tuning, a replacement battery, and attention to a leaking fuel petcock. These are straightforward issues for anyone familiar with vintage two-strokes. Suzuki's early two-stroke street bikes remain undervalued compared to similar Yamaha and Kawasaki models, making the Rebel an appealing entry point into classic two-stroke ownership. With its simple design, strong aftermarket support, and engaging power delivery, this bike offers both riding enjoyment and restoration potential at a very accessible price. Number 5. 1974 Triumph Bonneville 650, $3,500, Portland, Oregon. This 1974 Triumph Bonneville T120V presents as a clean, mostly stock British twin with sensible reliability upgrades. The modern electronic ignition, cleaned and properly jetted carburetors, new chain, and fresh tires significantly improve everyday usability. Mid-1970s Bonnevilles retain classic styling while benefiting from the 5-speed transmission and incremental factory refinements. With demand for authentic British motorcycles continuing to grow, especially examples that remain close to original specification, this Bonneville strikes a strong balance between collectability, rideability, and affordability. It is well suited for weekend riding, local shows, or light touring. Number 6. 1978 Kawasaki KZ650, $3,000, Denton, Texas. This 1978 Kawasaki KZ650 has been recently serviced and is described as ready for the riding season, requiring only minor carburetor jetting adjustments. The standout feature is the extremely rare RC Engineering Russ Collins 4x1 exhaust, a highly sought-after period performance component. The KZ650 platform is known for its reliability, smooth inline-4 power delivery, and manageable size compared to larger superbikes of the era. Low mileage combined with rare performance hardware makes this example especially attractive to riders and collectors alike. Values for clean KZ models continue to trend upward as interest in late 1970s Japanese performance bikes grows. Number 7. 1970 BSA Thunderbolt 650, $4,500, Breckenridge, Colorado. This 1970 BSA Thunderbolt represents classic British motorcycling with traditional styling and mechanical simplicity. Powered by a 650cc parallel twin, the Thunderbolt delivers strong low-end torque and a relaxed riding character. The seller states that the bike looks and runs great, suggesting it has been maintained rather than left dormant. Original condition BSAs with clear titles are becoming increasingly difficult to find, particularly those that remain mechanically functional. This example offers authenticity and historical value from the final era of British mass-production motorcycles, making it appealing to both riders and collectors. Number 8. 1980 Yamaha XS11 Special, $2,800, Columbus, Nebraska. The Yamaha XS11 Special was one of the fastest production motorcycles of its time, and this 1980 example remains a strong value in today's classic market. With just over 11,500 miles, it runs well and includes good tires and a clean Nebraska title. Minor needs include servicing the front brakes and replacing the speedometer cable, both manageable tasks. Known for massive torque, smooth highway cruising, and long-term durability, the XS11 is still underrated compared to other Japanese leader bikes. This example offers an affordable entry into vintage superbike ownership with serious road presence. Number 9. 1971 Norton Commando, $9,200, Whitewater, Colorado. This 1971 Norton Commando presents as a well-sorted rider with tasteful upgrades focused on reliability and usability. The Mikuni carburetor and 2-into-1 intake improve starting, throttle response, and overall drivability while maintaining classic British character. Recent service includes fresh oils and a new rear tire, indicating ongoing use rather than long-term storage. The Commando's ice-elastic frame design and iconic styling continue to earn respect among enthusiasts worldwide. This example targets riders who want an authentic Commando experience without the compromises of a museum-only machine. Number 10. 1970 Hodaka Ace 192B, $1,850, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. This 1970 Hodaka Ace 100 is a lightweight vintage machine with strong cosmetic presentation. The chrome tank, wheels, spokes, and period-correct accessories remain in excellent condition. Mechanically, the bike requires recommissioning due to low compression, a broken kickstand shaft, and long-term storage. Hodaka values have risen steadily as collectors recognize their unique place in off-road and lightweight motorcycle history. This example offers an excellent foundation for a proper restoration or historically accurate vintage rider. Number 11. 1976 Honda Goldwing GL1000, $1,800, North Glen, Colorado. This 1976 Honda Goldwing GL1000 benefits from a previously rebuilt engine along with recent brake and carburetor service. With 50,000 miles, it reflects normal use for one of Honda's most durable touring platforms. Although it has not been ridden extensively in recent years, it reportedly runs well and includes a clean Colorado title. Early Goldwings are increasingly appreciated for their engineering, smooth flat-4 engines, and long-distance comfort. This example represents a low-cost entry into classic touring motorcycles. Number 12. 1970 Triumph Trophy 500C, $3,000, Austin, Texas. This 1970 Triumph Trophy 500C features the desirable single-carb setup and high-mounted exhaust pipes, giving it classic scrambler-inspired proportions. The bike runs and includes a new clutch, though mileage is unknown due to the missing speedometer. While the Florida title is not currently in the seller's name, the Trophy remains a lighter and more agile alternative to larger British twins. These 500cc Triumphs are increasingly appreciated for their balance of performance, simplicity, and classic styling. Number 13. 1982 Harley-Davidson FXR, $6,500, Weatherford, Texas. The FXR chassis is widely regarded as one of Harley-Davidson's best handling designs, and this 1982 example shows exceptionally low original mileage at just 6,000 miles. Recent work includes a new carburetor, tires, brakes, sprocket, chain, and fresh fluids, making it mechanically sorted and ready to ride. The bike includes original paperwork and a clean title, which significantly enhances long-term value. Early FXRs continue to rise in demand as riders recognize their superior frame design and riding dynamics. Number 14. 1984 BMW R100, $4,000, Perry, Oklahoma. This 1984 BMW R100 is presented as a solid, usable airhead with 31,000 miles and a clean title. Later airheads benefit from incremental factory improvements while retaining mechanical simplicity and long-term durability. Finished in burgundy, this example reportedly runs and rides well, making it suitable for regular use rather than display. As airhead values continue to rise, especially for complete and functional examples, this R100 sits comfortably in the affordable rider category with long-term upside. Number 15, 1983 Honda Goldwing, $1,000, Louisville, Texas. This 1983 Honda Goldwing represents a true budget project opportunity. The bike does not currently run, but turns over with a charged battery and is believed to need carburetor work. It includes hard saddlebags and a large collection of additional parts, adding value for a mechanically inclined buyer. At this price point, it offers one of the lowest cost entries into vintage touring motorcycles. For the right owner, this Goldwing could become a reliable long-distance machine or a custom platform. This is Moto Market Explorer. If you enjoy real classic motorcycles with real prices, hit like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next hunt.